Quality Recovery LLC. This is Robert Coles, and I'm back with another exciting update on one of the most exciting years that we've had to date. Today, I want to talk to you about our surplus contracted deal that we have signed contract for $101,000. That's right. 2 weeks ago, we just signed up another claimant for a $101,000 surplus claim here in the local area on the East Coast. Today, I'm going to take you through some of the details that it took to get this deal signed and pushed across the clear. So at this point, we reached out to the customer. We got the documentation, reached out to the customer, and did the skip tracing, of course, and found him. And through our process of going through the documentation, what the documentation said that it was a claim that it was for original was for $550,000, and there were four other individuals, family members, heirs that had interest in this particular claim. So the other four heirs had already gotten paid out their money, but the individual that we found in the court document that says unknown and unfound, they couldn't find him for whatever reason. So it took us 24 hours by the time we locked in and started skip racing and found him. And one of the our team members, they got him on the phone, and then they passed him over to me on a conference call, and I spoke with him for about 10 minutes before asking him would he like to schedule an appointment between 9 and 12 or 1 to 5. What works best for him, a morning appointment or an afternoon appointment? So he told me, he said, well, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning works great for me. At that point, that was all I needed to hear. So I got into gear, put all the wheels in motion. We drafted up the contract, and I made some notes as far as some of the key factors, those key questions that I wanted to go over with him. And when I met with him the next morning at 10 a.m., um, we talked for about 10 minutes. I shared with him some of the proof of the documentation that I have that let him know that he was the clear owner of these surplus funds, and he was happy to sign the contract. That was 2 weeks ago. So as of the early part of this week, this is Friday, June 28th. This is Friday, June 28th. So at this point, I spoke with the lawyer. The lawyer says that he reviewed the documentation earlier this week, and he has already submitted this particular claim into the court. So we are waiting for a court date to come back so that the lawyer can go in front of the judge and on the claimant's behalf uh, argue the case that this money belongs to the claimant. He is the only sole claimant to these funds. His other four siblings have already been paid out. So that's pretty much a straightforward, simple answer as far as what I could tell you about the deal. It was a deal where it was probably one of the easiest surplus deals that we've claimed to date. Pretty straightforward, really, really straightforward and simplified. And we don't get many of those. I'll tell you right now. I wish, like I told the attorney, I wish we had more deals like that, because if we had more deals like that, we could wrap a lot more up in a period of a month. So at this point, this is Robert Coles. This is Quality Recovery Agency. You can reach out to us, of course, if you need some help in the surplus recovery space. We're happy to help. We can give you tips and tricks as far as how you could probably incorporate some of the things we do that's simply working for us. This year has been a totally awesome year. I will say it's been an awesome year. Last year, this time, we're about twice as far ahead as far as deal closing, as well as surplus monies being paid out to us. We're twice as far as ahead. At this point, we've already been paid out six-figure income already, and we've got this particular deal. It's probably going to earn us about a little bit more than $30,000. So at this point, if you have not looked at surplus recovery, You need to look at it. If you looked at surplus recovery and you didn't do well, or you didn't claim any deals, you didn't get any deals to push across clear, I would highly recommend that you would give it a second look, because this is a multi-billion-dollar industry. It is absolute phenomenal way to make an honest living. All we do are helping people, and we are making an honest living out here. Once again, Robert Coles, Quality Recovery Agency, LLC. You can reach us on the net at www.qnra.net. There's a wealth of information on our website. You can also reach us direct at info@qnra.net, or by phone direct at 336-447-7638. Make it a blessed day. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There's plenty for everybody. I would tell you, go for it. Just like Jimmy V, the head basketball coach at North Carolina State, said before he was deceased with his cancer battles about 20 years ago. His takeaway from his most popular meeting, he said, don't give up, don't give up, don't ever give up. And that's my thing for everybody who will listen to this video. No matter what it takes, don't give up. Make sure we keep it legal, but don't give up. This is a great opportunity. This particular business has changed my life. In the last 2 years, I have bought a brand new home, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, totally brand new, renovated. It's life changing. I paid off my car, and at the rate that we're going right now, my main goal in life is that I want to pay off this house in the next 3 years. That's my goal. And with this type of opportunity with surplus recovery, we can do it. I'll tell everybody, go for it. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. If you need a lawyer, call me. We have several lawyers in several states here on the East Coast that they're willing to help people out here that's serious about their business. You have to be serious about your business when you contact me, because one, I'm not going to hold people's hands. I'm not going to show you how to do your business, because your business is your business. How you run your business, that's solely up to you. But if you got a question, 1 or 2 questions that you need some help with, I'm more than happy to guide you down the path that I think will give you some tips and tricks that's working for us. Once again, Robert Coles, this is a great opportunity. Everybody get on board. Have a great day. Be blessed.